What are we playing, Keenan?
Okay, wait, hold on. We need to restart. It's called Gigantic.
Gigantic.
Okay.
We're playing Gigantic.
We're playing Gigantic today.
What the hell is this?
You know, I was a little low on budget. I couldn't afford a new game this week. Payday's next week.
So I bought a $60 God of War, and you bought a free one.
Yeah, I bought a
Awesome.
free Gigantic, you know.
Awesome.
Quick Google search of the top 10
free games.
This one looked alright. We kind of both decided that it looked okay.
Looked okay. We just played the tutorial, and it's a little choppy, but we'll see what we can do.
For a free game.
It's an online game. Keenan is playing, so if he's garbage, it's not me, it's him.
Me.
And we already found the character we want to be.
Wait, which one?
Pakko.
This guy? Alright.
I'm Pakko.
I'm Pakko. Let's go fuck some shit up.
Pakko speaks Spanish.
Vamos a chingar la madre.
La miedra. Oh my gosh.
Miedra? You mean mierda? You like said piedra.
Yeah, dude, I've been like, it's 8 o'clock at night. I'm tired.
Okay.
We just got done playing Evil Within 2 and scaring the shit out of us.
Okay, wait, hold on.
What? I don't know what's wrong with our mics now. I'm a little nervous. I kicked over our interface. What?
Oh, there we go.
There we go. We're matchmaking. We have made a match. Your lover has been found. I don't know, dude. Do you think anybody even plays this?
I don't.
How old is this?
I have no idea.
It's probably like super old. We're probably not going to find anybody. Practice, custom, gigantic. Well, I don't think you can really do anything. But wait, go back. Why did it look like it was locked? Oh, it's finding a match. Wait, why is the counter going up? 30, 31, 32, 3, 4. We're never going to find a freaking match. Play bot matches to unlock. Are you serious? Unavailable while in matchmaking?
Hey, we found
there we go. Sweet. Do you want to be the creepy rapist-looking dragon or the eminently powerful sphinx?
I wish it was a sphincter, not a sphinx.
An eminently powerful sphincter.
The same dumb map. There's probably only one map.
It's probably the only map, dude. It's free. What do you want from them?
It is.
Although there's like there's like a million micro purchases. It's a beautiful. Look at that. It's a pretty beautiful.
For a free?
Yeah. Okay, where's Pakko?
Pakko.
Yeah, Pakko.
So how many guys are on my team?
You got 4.
I'm
a player game.
I'm ready to go,
I'm
man.
a part of a deadly violent team. Dude, that made me yawn.
And everyone else is like, who the hell is this guy?
You're like the only one jumping through characters. Everybody's like, does this kid even fucking play this game? Probably a bunch of like 50-year-olds in the back. Oh, sweet.
Do you think everyone else playing this game is the same thing as us? They're like, dude, I'm a little low on cash. What?
They're bots. This is a bot game.
Are you sure?
The people on your team are actual players. They're all named the same as the characters.
If it's really...
All right.
Well, we'll see how it goes.
All right. We'll retitle the video to Puss Bots.
Maybe they'll make them harder than they were in the tutorial. If it's 5 players against...
5 bots?
5 bots is nuts.
Dude,
nuts.
Unless they're like bots level 9 freaking insane
level
on
insane,
Smash Bros. Melee.
Oh, see, this is what
Remember
happened.
that?
Yeah,
you watched.
They were
Pakko
relentless.
made a fart and I flew. Look at him, he's so dopey. He's like, I love his animation. Oh, this is great. Can you look at his face?
No,
Can you look at his face?
can't.
Dang it.
I'm trying to change camera.
Oh,
angle.
kill the bot. Kill the bot. Oh, he's wrecking you, dude. He's wrecking you, dude. You better get out of there.
Skip, bitch. Get skip.
What's your abilities? It's obviously not offense. What are your abilities?
Being cute.
Oh, that's lovely. Everybody's probably like, the Pakko kid's not doing his abilities. He's not healing me.
I have
your offense
snow,
looks
I guess?
okay.
I have snow, Morgan.
Pakko just ripped. Kill the bot. Kill the bot. Dude, yeah, he's wrecking
seem
you
a little bit harder than-
way faster than you're wrecking them. Well, in the tutorial, you had the one part where you couldn't die.
Can I come back to life once I die?
No, I think this is like search and destroy rules.
Oh, search and destroy was always the hardest.
No, that was always the best. Oh, dude, your power is almost full. You're about to climax.
That guy! I throw a freaking snowball, dude.
Dude, throw snowballs. That's killer.
Yeah,
you're gonna die. You're gonna die.
It takes forever to recharge.
You're dying. You're dying
Dude,
hardcore.
I think I'd come
Dude,
back.
get out of there.
No, I'm gonna freaking kill this chick.
GTFO, Pakko.
I'm gonna freak. Look, these people.
Yeah,
are
you're.
pussies.
Oh yeah.
They're freaking
Killed by a
scared,
teammate. you just got like 2 kills stolen, dude. How are you alive? You are on the verge of death this entire
Dude,
time.
Pakko kicks ass. What are you talking about?
Pakko eats.
Ass.
I was about to say eats ass, but I don't think Pakko's
How am I
eating any
sliding
ass.
around so much?
I don't know, but dude, look how
Pakko!
fast you're flying. Pakko's gonna go bite his face off.
Pakko! Oh,
Yeah! Pakko's got the same face of excitement running towards the danger as he does running away in fear from the danger. Oh, you're dead. No! Pakko! I'm so glad we played this game.
So wait, death recap.
1-0, you're back.
Yeah,
Pakko's back. Pakko's back.
Here comes Pakko.
This looks like a different. Is it the same map? It's different.
I think it's different.
It's kind of the same scheme. Oh my gosh, I'm loving Pakko.
I wonder how this game is with an actually good character.
Dude, whatever, you're killing it. You're level 4
think I'm
already.
doing well?
I think so.
So you upgrade, I guess.
I don't.
Like,
I
is
did
that
not
my
understand.
character that upgrades, or
Yeah, I think that's your character. Oh, if you press Y, you get upgrades. I don't know. Oh, better not do that in combat.
I didn't think you did
Pakko's
that.
like,
This is a
I gotta
bad
go
guy.
upgrade. I gotta go upgrade. Pakko's like, I'm helping.
Guys, snowball? Oh, I just
For some reason, I want to give him a Barney voice, like, I love you. I snowball you.
Can you imagine what happens to this guy's face when he sees like candy or something?
Dude.
It just goes
No,
nuts.
ice cream.
Yeah.
Ice cream, dude. Oh, he
And he
goes
starts
nuts
hyperventilating.
for an otter pop. And he runs. Look at his face when he turns around.
Of course they invented. Of course they added this character.
Was a genius.
I think this fire dude though is my arch enemy because he kicks my trash.
there's a lot of dudes that look like really badass, and just Pakko is just Pakko.
Oh, dragon.
You have like 5
I need to go.
upgrades, dude. What are you doing?
I upgraded just barely.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You should probably upgrade your health, because you're hating it. Oh, this is fantastic. This is beautiful. I'm really glad we decided to play
This guy isn't
this.
even like. This guy's just running.
Dude, screw Overwatch. This is fantastic.
Is this the game that's supposed to be like Overwatch?
No, that's the other one that we downloaded that I don't know if we'll play. Maybe we will. We'll give it a shot.
Maybe.
But now that we've seen Pakko, nothing's going to be as good. He's going to be my new screensaver, dude. Oh my
I build
gosh, he
something
just
here?
makes me happy. You can build a snowman. Are you just straight up button mashing?
Yeah.
This looks like it's like...
Well,
I don't
because
know, like-
you have RB, RT, LT, LB.
This reminds me of...
And the attacks take a while to charge up.
This reminds me of Diablo. With all the different buttons and the recharges, but then it's like... The theme is like... I don't know, Overwatchy. Look how fast you run towards him and you're like, I'm ready for action!
It's like I'm going in for a hug first.
It's fantastic! Dragon! Oh no, dragon! He's like, dragon!
Oh,
Woo!
it's a girl dragon. Oh, that's a bad
I'm
guy.
a baddie.
Got him, we
I
got him.
love it. That's who it reminds me of, is Chris Farley.
When he's petting the roll.
And I kill it! Dude, there's a dark side to Pakko. There's got to be a dark side to Pakko. Like, I want to go get some ice cream. Only it's not cream. It's your frozen blood.
You tell Pakko.
Look at Pakko.
Wait, what you do is you tell Pakko, you're like,
Oh my
Pakko,
gosh.
like, dude, you've had enough ice cream, man. Like, we shouldn't have more ice cream. He's like,
And Pakko comes out, no, more ice cream.
and then he rips your head off.
And then you like, Pakko, there's no more ice cream. And he's all sad and he just like poops it out.
And then eats it again.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And Pakko can only say,
Dude, you had 17 assists. Your efficiency was
see-
only 18%.
where do you see assists?
Right there. Your team awards. You were most assists.
Oh.
17 assists.
Did we really just play bots? That was kind of dumb.
No, that was killer, dude. That was awesome.
Deaths 1.
You had 1 kill.
That's it? This guy's 18 kills? Oh, he's
Hey.
ranked 8th in the world?
Oh,
Whoa.
no. Is that really?
There's probably
It's
like
probably prestige.
50 players anyway.
8th in the world. He's in the top 16 percentile.
What if Pakko could only say Pakko?
Pakko.
Pakko!
But he says like, Pakko,
It's like-
Pakko,
It's
Pakko.
kinda like Pikachu.
Oh, yeah. That'd be great.
Well,
Pakko! Dude, that was great.
As he's packing his snowball.
That was great. Do you want to do another? Try a different hero? Or we calling this a good little 10-minute one-off?
Maybe we should call it good.
Oh,
Should we do
really?
another? Okay, hold on.
No,
hold
it's
on.
up to you. You're playing. Let's see what
Maybe
there
we'll be
is.
a cooler
and
character.
we'll see what there is, and we'll be right back.
This guy seems okay.
That guy should
seems
be
cool.
named Douche McGee.